How do I clean my outdoor condenser? To clean your outdoor condenser, you should turn off the power at the breaker, clear away leaves and dirt from around the unit, gently spray the metal fins with a hose from the inside out, and make sure nothing is blocking airflow within 2 feet of the unit on every side. Think of your outdoor condenser like the lungs of your air conditioning system. It breathes in air to cool down a special liquid called refrigerant, and if it gets clogged with dirt, leaves, or grass clippings, it has a hard time breathing and your whole house gets less cool air. Start by shutting off power at the outdoor disconnect box or your breaker panel. This keeps you safe while you work. Next, remove the top grill if your model allows it and pull out any leaves or sticks stuck inside. Then use a regular garden hose, not a pressure washer, and spray the thin metal fins from the inside going outward. This pushes dirt out instead of deeper in. Something most people never learn is that a coil cleaning spray made for air conditioners can dissolve built-up grime that water alone cannot remove, and letting it sit for 10 minutes before rinsing makes a big difference. Finally, trim any plants or bushes so they stay at least 2 feet away from the unit. This keeps air flowing properly all season long. One common mistake is using a pressure washer, which can bend the delicate fins and actually reduce airflow instead of improving it, so stick with a gentle hose spray instead. Another misconception is that condensers only need cleaning once a year, but if you live somewhere with lots of pollen, dust, or cottonwood trees, checking every 2 to 3 months keeps your system running efficiently. A lot of homeowners also forget to check the fins for bending after storms, so gently combing them straight with a fin comb tool can restore proper airflow and save you money on energy bills. If you need help with a project, search for trusted, affordable local contractors at www.bighomeprojects.com. You can also download our app, Job by Tier, where homeowners and property owners can list jobs and have home service experts and contractors reach out, message you back, and offer their estimates.